What's up, YouTube? I'm Rebecca Loran, and I've been a musician probably as long as I can even remember. I started with recorder and choir about when I was in first grade or so, and I had a musical journey that has lasted until this day. But you don't need my credentials. You're here because you have probably wanted to learn an instrument, you wanted to learn a song, you've wanted to be able to play music, possibly even all your life. But then you start learning it and you get frustrated. You don't understand all the stuff that you need to learn. You don't understand how to play the notes properly. You don't even know how to read music. And you also feel a bit mad, possibly. You shouldn't have to learn all this music theory just to play a flute or a saxophone or a piano or a guitar or anything like that. Well, I'm here to tell you right now that music theory is only here to serve you. I'm going to attempt to teach you what you need to know so that you can literally learn any piece of music on any instrument. So I hope with this channel you can dive into the wonderful world of music and learn how to just have fun.